Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the EtherMail airdrop. If you're into Web3 and looking to earn some free tokens, this one's for you. Stick around as we break down how you can snag 750 EMC in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, what is EtherMail? EtherMail is revolutionizing email communication by integrating Web3 features. It's the first solution of its kind that provides anonymous, encrypted communication between digital wallets. With EtherMail, you get complete control and ownership of your inbox, plus rewards for engaging with content. They've even raised $7 million from big names like Draper Associates and MS&AD Ventures. Alright, now let's talk about how you can participate in the EtherMail airdrop and earn those EMC tokens. Here's the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit the EtherMail website. Once you're there, click on the Access button. This is where your journey begins. Connect your Metamask wallet and sign the transaction. This is crucial as it links your wallet to EtherMail. Make sure to use an active wallet. Step 3. Enter your email address. This will get you your first 250 EMC. Simple, right? Click on Go to Inbox and activate the protocol by retrieving your encryption keys. This step will add another 250 EMC to your account. Just a heads up, your wallet needs to have made a previous transaction on the Ethereum network to qualify for their airdrop. Step 5. Download the EtherMail app to earn an additional 500 EMC. Just by having the app on your device, you boost your EMC total significantly. And don't forget, for every friend you refer, you get an extra 250 EMC. So, share the love and watch your EMC grow. Remember, to be eligible for the airdrop, your account needs to be verified. All your EMC rewards will convert to EMT tokens after the Token Generation Event, or TG, which is set for June 12th. So, make sure you complete these steps and verify your account to get in on the action before the TG. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crypto tips and tutorials. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already started earning EMC with EtherMail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.